and welcome to Job Aspirants channel. Today, we bring you crucial information about the latest recruitment notification issued by the Government of Andhra Pradesh for the position of Senior Residents in Government Dental College and Hospital, Kadapa. So, if you're seeking a rewarding career opportunity in healthcare, stay tuned. Notification details. Notification date, 10th January 2025. Date of walk-in interview, 18th January 2025. Venue, Government Dental College and Hospital, Kadapa. Total vacancies, 09. Vacancies by specialization. Specialization and number of vacancies. Oral Medicine and Radiology 1. Oral and Maxillofacial Surgery 1. Prosthodontics 1. Periodontics 1. Pedodontics 1. Conservative Dentistry and Endodontics 1. Orthodontics 1. Public Health Dentistry 1. Oral Pathology 1. Eligibility Criteria. Education Qualification, Master of Dental Surgery, MDS, from a DCI recognized institution. Age, below 44 years at the time of appointment. Required AP State Dental Council registration. Local and non-local candidates. Local candidates are prioritized. Non-local candidates with AP State Dental Council registration are considered if local candidates are unavailable. Candidates who have completed 1 year of senior residency in any government or private institution are not eligible. Senior residents already working in government dental colleges in Andhra Pradesh are not eligible. Tenure. The tenure for senior residency is 1 year, non-renewable. Application procedure and fee. Download the application form, link in description. Attend the walk-in interview with original documents. 2,000 rupees for OCs, 1,000 rupees for BC, SC, ST, paid via demand draft in favor of the Director of Medical Education, Andhra Pradesh. Checklist documents. SSC certificate for proof of date of birth. Registration of PG degree with AP State Dental Council. Mark lists of post-graduation, basic plus final year. Degree and provisional certificates, BDS and MDS. Social status certificate, SC, ST, BC, EWS. Aadhaar card. Study certificates, 4th to 10th class, or proof of local candidature as per bifurcation rules. Demand draft. Attend interview with 2 sets of above certificates with self-attestation. Remuneration. 74,750 rupees per month. Selection process. Based on the merit scored in the post-graduation examination, theory and practical. In case of a tie, the elder candidate will be preferred. The selection committee holds the right to modify conditions for the final selection. That's all for today's update. If you or someone you know is eligible for this opportunity, don't miss out. Subscribe to our channel for more such informative updates. Best of luck, and see you next time.